Is it on? Yeah? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. I am super excited to be here because it's for the launch of a really cool app. I think as youngsters, as the current generation, these are the kind of things, these are the kind of cool concepts that we seek, I feel. And I think बहुत late हो गया सब लोगों को. Let's begin. Let's launch the app.
Yes.
Yes, super. Got chosen in what way?
For example, a break in the industry or the very first
I
break
think,
in the industry.
I think the whole the meaning of got chosen, why one feels, I think it's such a cool name to keep because it's just so motivating for anyone to hear. Okay, you got chosen, and of course मेरे career में भी अगर बात करें तो I gave a lot of auditions, faced a lot of rejections as well, as everyone does. And then I got chosen for Filhal, opposite Akshay Kumar. So that was my start, and that was the feeling that I got. And I think similar to that, what this app is doing for youngsters, for talented people out there, is that you put your talent out there, and you're earning money through it. You're making that impact in terms of visibility for other people, for your growth, as well as for internal growth in terms of आप अपना घर चला रहे हो यार, मतलब अगर साफ बात की जाए तो so I think the essence of got chosen and ये मोड पे आएगा I feel. अभी I got chosen for that for like my launch, then I faced a lot of rejections after that. Then I got chosen for something else. So I think it's that up point that comes in everyone's life, and it comes after you throw out your talent for people to see. You work hard, and then I think you get chosen.
As you said, you face rejection.
Okay, so I will just cut you in the middle. I will request Naveen sir, Rahul sir, and Naveen to please have a seat. We would like to have more conversation.
Yeah, sure.
Yes? Okay, now
So
go
like
ahead.
you said, you face rejection. Or up now, Nupur is a brand. You are here endorsing a brand, becoming a brand yourself.
How sweet.
How proud or do you get emotional when you become a part of such initiative or such the business start growing?
Yes, it is emotional. It is a nice feeling to like come out in the open with my own identity, own up to it, and I think जब वो होता है ना, like ऐसे अभी मैं example दूँ तो अभी के जो moment पे these moments are the ones that make you feel कि ठीक है यार, जो भी इतना time बीता, जितनी मेहनत हुई, जिसको नहीं पसंद आए हम उसने reject कर दिया, चलता है. So because I think these are the moments when you feel कि ठीक है, we worked for these moments, we worked for people to see that positivity in us, to recognize us for for the talent that we have, and I think that's the moment for you.
What are the three things you look into whenever you associate yourself with any brand?
Three things I look at a brand.
Whenever you associate yourself with any brand, for example, they ask you to be on board. What was your reason? What are the three things?
I think the first thing that I look in any brand is whether it resonates with me. The reason behind the brand. What is the message of the brand? Why is this brand formed? Like, what is it doing to the people out there? I think the meaning should resonate with what I am as a personality because अभी जैसे मैं candid हो रही हूँ, रटा रटाया आना पड़ेगा और आपको दिख जाएगा मैं तो बहुत expressive इंसान हूँ, so मेरे मुंह पे दिख जाता है अगर मैं if I'm faking it ना, so I think gotta be real. So for that the brand has to have that real essence for me to be able to project that realism in me. So ये सबसे important चीज़ है and I think like honesty also you feel that कुछ different कुछ हटके है क्या, like is it blending with the entire अभी जो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं with its competitors or there is something different about it. So I think all these things matter.
So can we have one person, one question, please? I think let other people also talk.
आप बहुत सारे questions लेकर आए हैं, मैं आपसे बात
Yes.
To Naveen, it gives us so good feeling sitting, seeing these youngsters sitting, talking about business. Tell us, Naveen, it was always there in your mind you want Nupur to be on board. It was always there in your mind you want Nupur to be for God chosen, to be here for your brand.
Nupur on board, like on board as in
here
as a brand ambassador.
Yeah.
See, for that thing we will obviously after this event we will see what's the result, like how the everyone is reacting. Obviously, we will do if everyone is reacting good and everything is awesome.
Nupur, you said when you were launching, you say हमने देखा left देखा swipe right देखा. Okay, it's left right and right left देखा. And this is the app like Instagram, Reel, where you just swipe up.
Yeah.
Okay. So one is a Kendra, Balma, and those kind of profiles which are there. And one is like a small videos app.
Yeah.
Short. Which
Yeah.
is more credibility, what's the flavor of both of them?
Which is sorry?
More credibility, according to you.
Honestly, मैं इसी की credibility के बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, जो चीज़ मैंने try करी हुई है, उसी के credibility या उसकी genuineness के बारे में आप बोल सकते हो कुछ भी. बाकी की credibility कितनी है कितनी नहीं है वो try करके पता चलेगा.
Yes, I think the technical answers, the technical questions can be asked to both Naveen and Rahul sir. They will be the good one to answer.
Nupur,
हाँ जी.
काफी privilege हैं आप, मतलब you are not new to the industry as such. प्रीति मैम इतना successful हुई हैं industry में.
Privilege बहुत भारी word है sir. आप मरवाओगे मुझे.
नहीं तो मुझे ये जानना है कि जब कोई जान पहचान का कोई रिश्ते में establish होता है किसी फील्ड में तो आसान या मुश्किल हो जाता है जब आप एंट्री मारी थी बॉलीवुड में, क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन होते हैं उनके सक्सेस को देख के आपको कंपेयर किया जाएगा कि हाँ आप भी कल को इतनी सक्सेसफुल हो गया.
I think we should ask some relevant questions to
These
the
are very
app.
relevant
Yeah.
questions. Let me ask.
That's okay. I'll answer. I think आसान भी होता है और मुश्किल भी होता है. There are pros and cons to sharing your identity with someone. I feel आसान ये था कि मुझे मतलब जब मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में आ रही थी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मुझे पहले से पता थी कि अच्छा यहाँ पे जाके ऐसे बात करनी है, ऐसे टाइप के ऑडिशंस में ऐसे परफॉर्म करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्टिंग ऑल्सो. बट मुश्किल भी यही रहा बिकॉज अभी तक whatever I've bagged on my own, I've done it on my own. Whether it's my 2 music videos, whether it's the film opposite Nawaz sir, I've auditioned for it. They liked my audition. I performed in it, and it's all through myself. अगर नहीं होता अपने आप तो इतना टाइम नहीं लगता. इतना गैप नहीं आता अगर मैंने खुद नहीं किया होता वो. So I think मुश्किल ये है कि अभी तक I think काफी टाइम लगेगा जब तक ये सवाल मुझसे पूछना लोग बंद कर जाए. I think that's when I feel that वो नुकसान नहीं होता.
Nupur,
हाँ जी.
short videos app, you might have seen other apps like Joe,
जी.
TikTok,
जी.
always accept follow them there, you keep on following them again. What is celebrity
So I think बहुत सारे ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं. मुझे ना कुछ लोगों के नाम नहीं पता है इतना ढंग से, बट फॉर मी ना ह्यूमर रियली एक्साइट्स मी. मतलब मैं देख रही होती हूँ कि एक्चुअली अभी हाल ही में मैंने एक द थिंग इज दैट मुझे ना नाम नहीं याद रहते कि इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड से यूजर नेम्स होते हैं. मेरा यूजर नेम इज नुपुर सैलन. लाइक यू विल फाइंड मोस्टली द इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ना देयर यूजर नेम्स आर थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, तो जिनका मैं याद कर रही हूँ आई डोंट रिमेंबर द यूजर नेम प्रॉपर्ली. बट आई थिंक द थिंग दैट आई फॉलो द मोस्ट इज कुछ funny element डाल दिया होना, serious song डाल दिया होता है पीछे, and there's something funny happening on it. So I think that really excites me.
And you are given a chance to be on an app or got chosen. Which genre of content you would like to keep on showcasing?
I think something quirky, something that has humor to it, because see, romance and all, yeah, emotional and all. I mean, I'm not a big fan of putting emotional songs and putting filters and crying with it. I don't like that. That's not something that I resonate with. मतलब वो filter वाली जो crying होती है ना, वो मुझे समझ नहीं आती. In fact, एक filter था जो मुझे actually अच्छा लगा था, which is, I don't know the name of the filter, but you're laughing, but it shows that you're crying. So I think everyone has used that filter recently. But mostly something comedy, something funny.
यो
हाँ जी.
नुबू जी, हमें पता है आप एक अच्छे सिंगर हो. अगर इस ऐप की मैं बात करूं, अगर आपको कोलैब करना हो कोई ऐसे सिंगर के साथ, तो आप किसके साथ कोलैब करना चाहोगे अगर इन फ्यूचर?
अगर मुझे फ्यूचर में किसी सिंगर के साथ कोलैब करना है,
जैसे एज अ गुड सिंगर वी डू कोलैब विद अ सिंगर, तो कौन से ऐसे सिंगर होंगे जिसके साथ आप कोलैब करो ये ऐप को लेके?
I think I have always been a fan of. I've been a fan of Arijit Singh. I think he's amazing at what he does, and जो feel और soul उनकी voice में है, वो कम ही मिलता है. I feel उनके साथ Shreya Ghoshal I've been a big fan of. In new budding singers, there are two people that I really appreciate their voices, which is one is Stebbin Ben, and second is Assis Kaur. I think she's got a phenomenal voice.
नवीन जी, मेरा एक और सवाल है आपके लिए. जिस तरह से मैं आपके ऐप को देख रहा था, मैंने एवी भी देखा, और मैंने एक हॉटस्टार में हाल ही में एक ऐसी ऐप की वेब सीरीज देखी थी, और उसमें बहुत सारे कंटेंट जा रहे थे, एंड वो कंटेंट ऐसे थे जो बच्चे लोग को काफी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी वो कंटेंट से, और काफी लोग का डिमांड भी था. उस ऐप की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, काफी लोगों का डिमांड था कि वो ऐप बैन होना चाहिए क्योंकि बच्चे लोग पे काफी इफेक्ट हो रहा है, 18+ हो रहा है. तो इन फ्यूचर अगर आपके ऐप के लिए हो, अगर बैन होना चाहिए, अगर मार्केट में सोशल मीडिया में आजकल तो हैशटैग काफी ज्यादा फॉलो होते हैं, हैशटैग आ जाते हैं, हैशटैग बॉयकॉट, हैशटैग, तो आप किस तरह से देख रहे हो?
देखो, आज तो लॉन्च है ना, तो बैन की बातें करने का कोई मतलब नहीं. बाकी अपना ऐप बढ़िया है, और जितने भी हमने चीजें करी है वो सारे उन लोगों के लिए करी है जो कि जमीनी तौर पे मतलब वीडियो बनाते हैं और उनकी अर्निंग हो रही है. हम एक अर्निंग सोर्स दे रहे हैं उनको, तो मुझे ही लगता है हम कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं इन दैट, है ना. और लोगों के पास पैसा आएगा तो ऑब्वियसली लोग तारीफ ही करेंगे, राइट? तो कोई करेगा.
हैशटैग की मैं चर्चा कर रहा था. या
सो आपने जो वो वेब सीरीज देखी है, जहाँ पे भी देखी है, that is live streaming, not a short video platform.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a short video platform where you can
somewhere मेरे को एवी देखा मैंने, कहीं ना कहीं तक मैं मैच हो रहा था, तो इसके लिए मैंने पूछा.
नहीं, आपका सवाल अच्छा था. And also our moderation team is monetizing content each and every time. So if someone is bad, it's totally get removed.
नुबू जी, खाली एक लास्ट सवाल मैं पूछूंगा. मैं हैशटैग की चर्चा कर रहे थे, तो आपका कुछ ऐसा बॉयकॉट जैसा मुझे लगा, तो
मैं आपके क्वेश्चन को बॉयकॉट करने को कह रही थी.
नहीं, मैं जो हाल ही में बॉयकॉट लाल सिंह चड्ढा पे काफी चर्चा हुई, और अब लाल सिंह चड्ढा रिलीज भी हो चुकी है, बट पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग, दे आर नॉट वाचिंग इट. तो उस पे क्या कहना चाहोगे? क्योंकि आप अभी आपकी मूवी भी आने वाली है, पहली मूवी होगी, काफी एक्साइटमेंट रहेगी, बट अगर आपकी मूवी को जिस तरह एक कमेंट से हम देखते हैं हैशटैग बन जाते हैं बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया पे, आपकी मूवी आने वाली है, अगर आपके मूवी के लिए अगर कमेंट बनते हैं तो आप किस तरह से रिएक्ट करोगे? और लाल सिंह चड्ढा,
सॉरी,
अभी लॉन्च हो रहा है ना,
Yes,
तो आप अभी मेरा फिल्म का लॉन्च पे भी आप बैन की बातें कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे भी बैन की, प्लीज ना ये नेगेटिव बातें नहीं करो.
Yeah, I think this app is very happening, and we should talk some happening things, some good things, some positive
Naveen,
things.
the question is here. जब somebody like नुपुर सेन, you know, उनकी जब मैं जर्नी की बात करता हूँ, अपने बलबूते पे यहाँ तक आना अपने आप में बहुत काबिल तारीफ चीज़ है। ये बात अलग है, लोग बात बीच में वो प्रिविलेज लफ्ज़ जोड़ देते हैं जो दुख देता है क्या, एक शख्स की अपनी मेहनत को कहीं दरकिनार कर देता है। जब नुपुर सेन जैसी शख्सियत आपके साथ खड़ी होती है और इस तरह के इवेंट पे मौजूद रहती है और आपके प्रोडक्ट को, आपकी कंपनी को एंडोर्स करती है, ग्रेस करती है, डू यू थिंक द हाफ द बैटल इज वोन? क्योंकि ये यंगस्टर की बात है, एक ऐसे यंगस्टर की बात है जिसने अपनी पहचान अपने बलबूते पे बनाई है।
Actually, I didn't get the last.
एक ऐसे यंगस्टर की बात है जिसने अपनी पहचान अपने बलबूते पे बनाई है। उससे पहले ये कहना चाह रहा था कि क्या आपको लगता है जब एक ऐसा चेहरा जिसे लोग जानते हैं, पहचानते हैं, जिनके मैसिव फैन फॉलोइंग है, उसका फायदा होगा ब्रांड? ये पूछना चाहता हूं।
Obviously, Nupur is a like big person to us. Like when we see her profile and we are checking other profiles also, we love the profile, and obviously we will get good engagement and obviously good success for the event. We are sure for this thing also.
एंड अभी आपने हमारे सीईओ का सीवी देखा था, सो उनकी फर्स्ट चॉइस नूपुर थी क्योंकि उन्होंने इनका फिलहाल गाना देखा था 1 बिलियन व्यूज, ठीक है, सो उन्होंने बोला नूपुर ही चाहिए।
Hi, this is Sohail over here. Yeah. Congratulations. Just needed to know कि your sister is there in the industry. She's quite experienced in fact, you know. जब ये चीज़ आपके पास आई थी, and you bond so well also with your sister. Like we see lots of videos also. तो you know इस तरह के endorsements करने होते हैं तो आपने उनके अंदर, इट्स अ वेरी क्लीशे टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, बट आपने उनके साथ डिस्कस किया होगा कि you know should I go ahead with this or you took your own decision on this?
नहीं, we are very independent as people and we are sisters, तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं हम दोनों में जो बहुत alike है जैसे बहनों में होती है, but I think when it comes to our thought process, it's very independent and it's very different from one another. So मैं उस नौबत पे जाती नहीं हूँ जहाँ मैं पूछूँ और मुझे आगे से कुछ गलत भी सुनने को मिल सकता है, अच्छा भी मिल सकता है, whatever. Like ऐसा तब होगा जब मुझे ही vibe नहीं आ रही, you know, if I'm confused about something. When this came to me, I wasn't confused. Like जैसे मैंने बोला that I'm very real when it comes to talking and voicing my things out. तो I connected with the app. I felt that it's a cool thing that they're doing. They're being so transparent in terms of whatever money that's you know being generated for the influencer. Whoever is doing the mehnat is getting their due. So I felt that it's a cool thing to join, cool thing to launch and be a part of. तो मेरे अंदर अगर वो doubt आता तो yes मैं जाती कृति से पूछती, but वो doubt ही नहीं आया.
तो normally do you discuss like you know maybe if you're talking about films, जैसे आपने नूरानी की बात की थी या फिर टाइगर नागेश्वर की बात की थी, तो उस दौरान do you feel that need is there to you know take her help at that moment और ये मैं
So yes, I mean I've you know like whenever I've liked something on my own, so Kriti knows this thing about me कि जब तक मेरी अंदर से half the battle won जो कहते हैं वो नहीं हुई होगी, तब तक I wouldn't come to her, you know, like with something that I only don't believe in, I wouldn't come to listen to her no. So she knows कि anyway ये आ रही है तो इसको हाँ सुनना है. तो उस time पे I think like कभी कुछ हल्का confusion होता है something, so there's a second opinion. I really respect her a lot. She has been an inspiration for me and so many more people. Me more also because I've seen मैं सोती उठती उसके साथ तो मुझे पता है कि वो like personality wise कैसी है and how she's grown with her own you know like her own mindset, she's followed her own heart. So I think she also always tells me that just follow your own heart, you're a smart girl, which I am. Yes.
One more question, like when you entered the industry, like people used to call you Kriti ki बहन है Nupur, you know, but then after फिलहाल the things almost changed. तो आप क्या मानती हो कि अगर 1 से 10 तक अगर हम कहते हैं तो अभी कौन से स्टेप पर हो आप, यू नो, कि या फिर एक दिन यू फील है कि मुझे अभी कृति की बहन?
अभी तो मैं 1 पे हूँ क्योंकि मैं जहाँ अपने आप को देखती हूँ वो 10 काफी ऊपर है, तो अभी तो मैं 1 पे हूँ.
Questions to Rahul and Naveen. Basically, when talking about, we have just seen the app, आज launch हो रहा है. And before seeing that, I've seen a lot of Indian users are already onboarded on it. Okay, where it's a based American based app. Okay, जब मैंने डाउनलोड किया तो पहले सारे नॉन इंडियन से। जब मैंने उसको लॉगिन किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली आई एम श्योर उसने मेरा लोकेशन डिटेक्ट सारा कर लिया होगा और उसने ऑटोमेटिकली पता, मैंने रियलाइज कि मेरे को सारे इंडियन कंटेंट दिखाने लगे, इंडियन यूजर दिखाने। बट माय ओनली क्वेश्चन इज, हैव यू देन काइंड ऑफ एन API इंटीग्रेशन और दिस आर द यूजर एक्चुअली gone over here or diverted over here?
Actually, right now there is a one campaign going on where users are creating content and we will like shortlist those people on the first of from before first of like next month. So those people are creating more and more content on daily basis. So that's why you saw.
So currently the users who are there वो directly by any API call से आए हुए, by API integration से आए हुए या वो आपने directly से onboard किया हुआ है, जैसे fresh onboarded, fresh onboarded. That's why you saw that. Okay, they're not. Yeah. That's
So we can take a last question. Sorry to interrupt, but we can take the last question.
Like this app is one short video app, correct? So there are other videos like Facebook has also started monetizing it. Josh also has monetizing formula to it, and also other apps are currently going in the Tiki apps and all those apps are there. How do you looking one year standing out of them, and how is your marketing strategy कि उनसे हम unique stand करें, उतने users लाए और onboard करें?
Actually, they are not sharing their like the earning which they are getting from the ads. Okay, we are sharing that earning with the influencers, with the users who are downloading the app. So we are giving some percentage to users. So if user will earn, especially nano and micro influencers, they will earn. Obviously, it will be big. And you are talking about other apps. I don't think so. They are same on the race.
Facebook has a monetization. If you talk about,
we have unique monetization platform. It's not happened like in India or in a global level with any other short video app.
I completely agree.
What we did, you see, YouTube, there is like ads, right?
Correct.
So that ad is like now in short video. So
Correct.
it's like shorter version of that, the banner ads.
So you will have an AI onto that short video app, something to capture that AI or something.
For the ad.
Yeah.
See, before this thing, what we were doing, we were website monetization company. Okay, we used to monetize websites. Okay, and we changed that whole. We integrated whole thing on the short video thing. We just did that. We made it simple.
So you taking the credibility from the Instagram who are 10K users already on the platform.
Yeah.
Correct. And then you are moving them to on your platform.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. Those users who are 10K probably can move to your platform.
Yeah.
But for example, I have a 10K followers and I'm straight away moving to this platform. Okay. So straight away I'll get the monetization. I can redeem the monetization.
Actually, you need to request it, then it will be accepted. If you have 10K, it will be accepted.
You accepted my onboarding.
Yeah.
I am already onboarded.
Yeah.
And how the redemption process start, for example? Then I have to again gain my more number of followers, likes, hits and all. I already joined them in the morning. I'm researching on it. I'm getting my
Yes, sir. I think we can take. Yes, we can have a one-to-one conversation.
So.
Yes. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. I know if you have more questions, we can have one-on-one conversation with sir. And for now, ladies and gentlemen, we have some influencers present here. May I please invite them on the stage? We would like to hand over the coins to them. We have Kunal, we have Shai, Lavina, Akhil Chauhan and Seenu with us. Please, I'll request them to join us on the stage and we would like to hand over the coins to them. One more picture. Yes. Shouldn't get it. Smile, everybody.
ये भाई इतना बड़ा पीसी हुआ बोलता बाइक पे हो गया। ये भाई नीचे बैठ जाओ।
फाइट करेगा।